A transistor can act as both a switch and an amplifier. Transistor as a switch. A 3D view of an NPN transistor circuit with LED, battery, and base resistor. When there is no base current, the LED is off. A small base current turns the LED on. This demonstrates cutoff and saturation regions. This switching is used in microcontrollers and relay control. Transistor as an amplifier. Show a common emitter amplifier circuit with small AC input and larger amplified output. A small base current causes a large collector current. The input and output sine waves illustrate this amplification. Key concepts are active region, current gain beta, and formula IC equals beta times IB. Switch mode. Used in digital circuits, operates in on or OFF states. Amplifier mode. Used in audio circuits to increase signal strength. Real-life applications. LED control, speaker amplifier, and microcontroller board. From computers to audio systems, transistors are everywhere. Small signal, big control.